Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Silverado and doing a muffler on it to release that V8 rumble, just because the stock's way too quiet for me. So that's what we're going to be doing, and I've decided to put a Flowmaster 40 on it, just from my research. It's not too obnoxiously loud, but is louder than stock. So here's a clip of the stock and we'll get started. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've already taken out my stock muffler out. We're going to be installing this Flowmaster muffler instead. So after messing around with the extension pipes, finally have them together. So now it is time to weld it on. It's been a couple weeks since I've installed the muffler, and I've driven it in town on the highway, and I'm super happy with it. No drone at all when you're cruising. In town sounds good. When you're at a stop, at a light, super quiet, doesn't even sound like you have a muffler on. But then when you do punch it, you can hear it, which is super nice, super aggressive sounding. But I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'll punch it right now and show you guys. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but it sounded super nice and deep toned. And then right back to cruise, it's super quiet. So if you guys are looking to put a muffler on, recommend the Flowmaster 40. But that'll be it for this video. You guys let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe.